Hello student, this is class 10 science chapter 3rd metals and non-metal. In this case, this is part B of some important question. The question third is sample of 4 metals. This question is very important for board examination. Sample of 4 metal A, B, C, and in this case 4 metal are used A, B, C and D, and the 4 solutions are used. The solutions are iron sulfate, copper sulfate, zinc sulfate and silver nitrate. Case of metal A, this is the table in which the metal A react with iron sulfate, no reaction takes place. In case of copper sulfate, displacement reaction it takes place. In case of metal B, when it added to iron sulfate, displacement reaction it takes place. In case of zinc sulfate, no reaction it takes place. And then metal C, no reaction it takes place. In case of iron sulfate, zinc sulfate and copper sulfate, but in case of silver sulfate, displacement reaction it takes place. Then metal D, no reaction it takes place. In case of iron sulfate, zinc sulfate, silver sulfate and copper sulfate. Use the table above to answer the following question about metal A, B, C and D. The first question is, which is most reactive metal? Second is, what would you observe of B is added to a solution of copper sulfate? The third is, arrange the metals A, B, C and D in the order of decreasing reactivity. The first reaction is A and FeSO4 react together, no reaction takes place. I mean A is less reactive than iron. Second is A react with copper sulfate, displacement reaction it takes place. I mean B is more reactive than copper. B and FeSO4, in this case displacement is also takes place, so B is more reactive than iron. In case of zinc sulfate, B no reaction it takes place, I mean B is less reactive than zinc. In case of metal C and FeSO4, I mean iron sulfate react together, no reaction takes place, I mean C is less reactive than iron. In case of C metal C react with copper sulfate, CuSO4, no reaction takes place, I mean C is less reactive than copper. In case of zinc sulfate, C no reaction takes place, I mean C is less reactive than zinc. In case of C silver, in case of silver nitrate, displacement reaction is takes place, I mean C is more reactive than silver. In case of metal D, FeSO4, CuSO4, zinc sulfate and silver nitrate, no reaction it takes place, I mean D is less reactive than iron, copper, zinc and silver. From the above equation, we obtain the following results. I mean in this case, this is represented as the first is Now this is the reactivity series. The metals, the solution which is used, the first is zinc sulfate, then the ferrous sulfate, then the ferric sulfate, then Cu and Ag, and the Ag solution is used. So the most reactive is zinc, then Fe, is reactive, then Cu and then Ag on the basis of reactivity series. In this case, the first point is B is more reactive than FeSO4. So, but in case of copper sulfate, the first point is B is more reactive than Fe. So B is located in the position, in the above position of Fe. Then the next point is in the case of zinc, B is, in the case of zinc sulfate, B no reaction takes place, so it's located the below position of zinc. In the case of A, A is less reactive than Fe but more reactive than Cu, so A is located in this position. In this case, A is less reactive than Fe and more reactive than Cu. The next is C. In the case of metal C, no reaction takes place in case of ferric sulfate, zinc sulfate and copper sulfate, but reaction takes place in case of Ag, I mean silver nitrate, so C is located in the position of, in this position. In this case, C is less reactive than Cu, Fe and zinc but more reactive than Ag. In case of metal D, no reaction takes place in the solution of Fe sulfate, Cu sulfate, zinc sulfate and silver nitrate, so it's located in the bottom position. This is the reactivity series. In this case, zinc is more reactive and D is least reactive. This is the series. The first question is what is the most reactive metal? What is the most reactive metal? B is the most reactive metal. B is the most reactive metal. The first answer is. The second is, what would you observe of B is added to a solution of copper sulfate? B is more reactive than Cu. If B is added to copper sulfate, then displacement reaction takes place. Because B is most reactive than Cu, displacement reaction takes place. The next question is arrange the metals A, B, C and D in the order of decreasing reactivity. B is more reactive than A, then C, then D. This is the decreasing order of reactivity of metal A, B, C, D. The answer of these questions is yes. The next is yes. So note this answer in your copy. The last one, the last answer is